We are pleased to show you the 2020 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, sunroof, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Come see the car for yourself.